Hey guys, welcome to ArcTech. So now in this video, we'll see operator which is called scope resolution operator. So here is the sign of this operator. Just give two columns and this is the sign. Okay, now this operator helps us to distinguish between local members and global members. Suppose you have a function or a class and inside that you're using a variable, and suppose you have a variable outside the class with the same name. Okay, then you can use this operator to distinguish between the variable inside the class and the variable outside the class, because both are having the same name. Now suppose here is one tip here, that suppose you have a class X and here the full name of the variable A will be, write the class name first and then give the operator and then write the name of the member. So here A is the member, therefore the full name of variable A will be X operator and then A. In the same way, the full name of variable B will be X full name and B. The full name of this function read M will be X, that is class name, full name, operator, and then the name of the function. So this is a tip. Okay, suppose we have a global variable and class member having same name. Okay, so we have a global variable and class member having same name. Now the global variables becomes hidden whenever we define a class member with the same name. Okay, so here we have a global variable which is X and A, and after defining the class, inside the class we are defining a variable X. So here you can see we have same name of both the variables. It is X, this is X. Now after declaration of this, the global X will become hidden, therefore the X will hide now after this declaration. So here are two examples. The first one is so here integer X and Y are global variables. Now we have a class A. Inside this, in public section, we have integer X, which is a local to this class, but we have also a global X. Therefore this will be confusion here, and to solve this confusion we are using the scope operator. Now after this, we have a function here which is called void f, taking an argument I. Then we have the code for this function, and this code is assigning I to X. Now in this case we are assigning I to X, which is local. Okay, so after execution of this line, I will be assigned to X, which is this X, not the global X but this X, because after this the global is hidden now, therefore this is only available for us, and therefore I will be assigned to X. In the next case I will be assigned to Y, because there is only one Y, there is not local Y, therefore I will be assigned to Y. Now suppose we want to refer to the global variable, suppose we want to assign I to the global variable, then we'll use this operator. Now here everything is same, but only difference is that here we are using the operator and then we are writing the variable name. Now in this case what will happen, that after this execution I will be assigned to the local X, that is this X, the class is X, and after execution of this line, the I will be assigned to the global X, because we are using the operator here. And after using this operator, the global X will come in use, therefore we are assigning I to the global X. After this we are assigning I to Y, which is because here is only one Y, therefore I will be assigned to the global Y. So to assign value to global variable, you will use this operator. So here is example. We have starting of this function here, then we have a global variable which is integer A and having value 10. After this we have main function here, and here we have another integer with the same name which is A and having value 15. Now A is local here, and this A which is outside the function is global here. Now after this our global A will be hidden now. Now we'll give cout as main, and after this we'll write we'll print out value of A. Now see, the value 15 will be printed here, because after this line our global is hidden now, therefore 15 will be printed. Now after this we are giving operator and then A. So in this case our global will come in use, and 10, that is the value of the global variable, will be printed here. So to print a global variable, use operator. Then we have one block here. Inside the block we have another declaration for A, which is another variable with the same name having value 25. After this we'll give cout, and in this we are printing A. Now in this case, this A, that is local, which is inside this new block, will be printed here. Okay, because after declaration of this both will be hidden now. therefore a, that is 25, will be printed here. After this we are printing operator and then a. Now in this case the global, which is outside all the function, will be useful here, and therefore we'll print the value 10 here. After this we'll come back to the main, because this code is finished now, and after that we have printed a here, and in this case the local a, that is 15, will be printed here. And after this we are printing global a, that is using the operator, therefore the global will be printed here. So the simple rule here is, if you have local variable and global variable, then to print or to use global variable, use the operator, and to use the local variable, do not use the operator. Simple as that. So yeah, thanks for watching, and do let me know your doubts and queries in the comment section below.